How to make rounded corners in Figma. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to make rounded corners in Figma. Now, if you don't know how to do this, I'm sure you don't want to miss watching this video till the end. So the first thing you need to do is to log on to your Figma account. Make sure you have an account on Figma already. So once you log into your account, this is what you're gonna see on your screen. Where are the top left corner of your screen, you see the main menu icon. Also just close to you see the move tools icon too. You also see the region tools icon, and you see the shapes icon, and the next icon is the pen icon. You also see all the creation tools icon. You also see the text icon, and the resources icon, the add tool icon, and the add comment icon. So at the top right corner of your screen, you see the share icon. You can click on this share icon to share your beautiful designs with your friends and your clients. And you also see the prototype view icon at the top right corner of your screen. You see the missing font icon also. So if you check the list of fonts that are available and you don't see the particular font that you want, you can click on the missing font icon at the top right corner of your screen to get the particular font that you want. Also at the right side of the screen, you see the design section, you see page, you see local variables, you see local styles, and you see export. Now, to learn how to make rounded corners in Figma, you must have created a design already. You click on the design and you go back to the right side of your screen where we have the design. Under the design, you just check till you get to the last part of the design section at the right side, the lower part of the design section at the right side. You see an image or a picture that looks like that has four curved corners. You click on these four curved corners. Once you click on it, you make your choice. You edit it if you want to. You do whatever you want to do on it. Okay, you input how much you want it to be curved. Once you can put 2. Click on each corners. If you want it to be very rounded, you can put 2. Click on each corners and change the figure from 0 to whatever number that you want. And once you're done, that's it, to give you the shape that you want. So this is simply how to do it. This is simply how to get rounded corners in Figma. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.